Hi, I'm Shaburi from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you 5 different types of fabric earrings. So let's begin. This is the first fabric earring. For this we will take a square cardboard piece 3 cm by 3 cm and a slightly bigger size fabric and fabric glue. We will at first apply the fabric glue along the edge in this manner and then cover the cardboard with fabric and stick it. Turn upside down and then we will stick the border part of the fabric on top of the cardboard in this manner. The fabric has covered up the cardboard. Now we will paint on top of the fabric. However, this is optional. I am giving print like shape on top of the fabric. If your fabric is already printed, then you can skip this part. We will make another such piece, and now we will attach oxidized charm at the top portion. So this is a lotus stud. Just take it on top of the fabric using fabric glue. However, it will be better if you use metal glue. Now we will pass a jump ring at the lower portion through a hole in the fabric and pass it through the loop of the jhumka and close the jump ring with the pliers. And you can leave the earring to this. However, I wanted to add details like adding ghungaroos on either side of the jhumka by stitching it to the fabric base. So we will quickly complete stitching up the ghungaroos to the base in this manner. And at the end we will stitch the last ghungaroo and then tie a knot with the thread and then cut the thread. We will stick the loose ends of the thread to the back side. If you want, you can add a fabric piece at the back side for neatening up your work. And finally our first earring is ready. Our second earring. So this is also very easy. For this we will cut out a cardboard piece in teardrop shape or raindrop shape. We will take slightly bigger sized fabric and fabric glue. We will apply the fabric glue along the border in this manner and place the fabric on top of it and stick it. Turn upside down and we will then cut the border portion of the fabric in small portions like this and stick the small portions of the fabric to the cardboard with fabric glue. We will complete this process quickly and cover up the cardboard with the fabric, and in this way our fabric base is ready. Now we will paint on top of the fabric. This is completely optional. So this is a bi-colored base and this is looking really cool. Now we will take a charm like this with a loop. We will attach the earring hook to the charm with the help of jump ring and close the jump ring with the pliers. So the top portion is ready. At the bottom portion we will attach a crescent shaped oxidized piece with the help of jump ring in this way. And then we will stick our top charm to the top portion of the fabric base with the help of fabric glue. However, as I mentioned earlier, you can use metal glue too. So this is our final result and this is looking absolutely gorgeous and trendy. Let's move on to the third earring. This is also very easy to make. For this we will take a circular piece of cardboard. The size depends on your choice. Cover it up with black colored fabric with the help of fabric glue and then turn upside down and cut the border in small portions like this. And after that we will stick the small portions of the fabric to the cardboard with the fabric glue. We will complete this process and cover up the cardboard with fabric quickly. In the same manner we will make a bigger sized fabric base of different color. Stick the smaller circle on top of the bigger one like this. You can keep it as it is, however I want to decorate it with some liner. These are fabric liners, so you can make the same design or you can make design of your choice. After applying the red colored liner, allow it to dry out completely, and then we will apply the golden colored liner, and after that we will allow our work to dry up completely. After that, we will take a small coin shaped charm with a loop and attach the earring hook to the charm. In this manner, close the hook with the help of pliers. At the lower portion, we will attach this crescent shaped charm or chand bali with the help of jump ring to the fabric base like this, and in the top portion attach your coin charm. You can use metal glue, that is a better option. So finally our third earring is also ready, and this is also looking very beautiful. We will move on to the fourth earring, and this is also very easy to make. For this, take a small circular piece of cardboard and cover it up with this fabric. This is a printed one. Turn upside down and cut out the border in small portions and stick it to the top of the cardboard in this manner and cover it up completely with the fabric. So the circle portion is ready. We will paint on it. I just add a simple polka dots or stripes in this manner. You need to attach earring stud at the back side. I lost the clip of sticking that, so you have to do that by yourself. Stick the stud with the help of metal glue. Now we are attaching the fabric on a semicircular piece of cardboard in the same manner as earlier. So the cardboard is now completely covered with the fabric. So this is the lower portion of the earring. We will decorate it with some ghungaroos and jhumka. Two ghungaroos, then a jhumka, and then again two ghungaroos after that. At the end, we will tie a knot and cut the thread, and now we will attach the circular portion to the semicircular one with the help of jump ring. Close the jump ring with pliers, and our beautiful earring stud is ready. So this is the final result, and this is looking absolutely gorgeous, and it will look good with any fusion dress or any traditional wear. Let's move on to the last earring, and this is also looking absolutely gorgeous and quite festive, suitable for Durga Puja. So let's begin. We will take a circular piece of cardboard and we will stick a cotton fabric on top of it with fabric glue in this manner. As earlier, we will cut out the border in small portions and stick it to the cardboard with the fabric glue like this. We will quickly cover it up. So this is one part of the fabric base. Now we are making the next one. This is an arrow shaped cardboard piece. We will cover it up with a green colored fabric like this, turn upside down, and now we will cut out the border in small portions and stick it to the cardboard with fabric glue as earlier. So this is done. So both the pieces are ready. Stick the arrow on top of the circle like this. Now we will take a golden colored fabric liner and make design on it. I have made a very simple design. After this, I'll up completely. So the work has dried up completely. Now we will attach an earring hook at the top portion like this, and in the lower portion we will take a pin, make a loop at the lower portion and pass a jhumka through the loop. At the top portion also make a loop. Now pass thread beads through the pin and pass a jump ring at the lower portion of the fabric base and pass the loop of the pin through that. And finally our earring is ready. This is very easy to make and I hope you understood this. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.